Baby, look up. Baby.
You're an amazing person, but the thing is that you can't forget your ex. The 3 years relationship, why would I even think you forget about her? That's so.
Babe, I've been single 10 months now.
Yeah, but you can't forget about her. Like, I mean, you guys spoke a week before you came into the house, so why not?
Just because I was honest with you doesn't mean
you were honest with me.
Yeah, and that doesn't mean you're gonna use it against me.
Yeah.
Like, cause I was.
In fact,
honest.
you guys spoke like if a week before you got here. You guys spoke about the whole thing, almost reconciled. Then you came and you met me. Am I stupid? I've been very stupid. I've been a fool. And today, my mood on do. Tonight, my mood on do.
Okay, so what do you want?
You said you're breaking up with me, right? And you said that if you leave
Stop putting it on me. Stop
yeah, but you said that,
Babe,
you
stop
said that
putting
if
it
you
on me.
leave here, you might go back to her.
Stop it.
I will never be embarrassed like that. God
Babe,
forbid.
stop it. Babe, stop it. You're being dramatic.
I'm enough and I'm worth it, so I will never let a guy treat me like that.
Stand.
I actually don't want you to touch me. I don't want you to touch me.
Can I ask you
for
to
the
stand
first
for
time,
your
maybe
standard?
now my sense is actually back. I'm telling you. I'm actually telling you.
Okay. So what do you want?
I want it over.
You want it over?
Yeah. I want it over.
Just know that I'm telling you one thing. Everything you say, you mean. Hey, look at me. Yeah, please look at me. Yeah.
You always say I'm stubborn, right? I just haven't even seen anything. I swear. You have not seen that side of me.
Okay, can you look at me?
You have really not seen that side of me because I have been so calm.
Baby, can you
Every time you're insulting me, like, why?
I don't insult.
What,
Stop
yes,
saying.
you always do that. You always do it. What's the problem? Don't. Say I disrespect you, but today you just said the worst. You looked me in the eyes and told me that you might go back to your ex when you leave here. You obviously cannot forget about the girl. Even like everyone in the house have noticed. Even though you say this all the time, you always talk about this to your ex.
Come here.
Yeah. Sorry. Michael, get out.
Can you hold me, please? I'm begging you, can you hold me, please?
Stop.
Hold me, baby. Baby, hold me. Baby, please. I'm begging you. Can you please hold me? Baby, please.